Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, we will explore the student menu inside CoachSys. By watching this video till the end, you will learn how do you use the students menu and what information is available on the All Students page. How can you easily search and find specific students using the filter options in the All Students page, and how can you use multiple filters at the same time? How can you view, edit, and update a student profile? How can you deactivate and reactivate a student account? How can you use the drop-down menu to check bill details and view due, paid, and remaining payments? How to manage gift and received consumption of each student? How to view pre-admission and post-admission communication reports? How can you send SMS and chat with individual students? How can you view individual students' exam and attendance reports? How to reset passwords and notify students via SMS or email? How can students view different activities from their own panel? So let's get started. First, we go to the Students menu. After clicking there, we can see a page named All Students is opened. Here, all the students who are currently active are displayed. If we move a little upward, we can see a field called Select Field. Beside it, there is another field called Enter Value. Below these, we can see the Add Filter option and the Search option. Now, we go to the Select Field section. After clicking there, we can see different types of fields such as course, batch, name, phone, email, and many more. From here, we select Course. After selecting the Course field, if we go to the Enter Value section, we can see all the available courses displayed there. Now, we select any one course and click on Search. After clicking on Search, we can see that all the students who are enrolled under the selected course are now being displayed here. Now again, we go to the Add Filter option and click on it. After clicking, a new field and another Enter Value option appear. If we click on the second field, we can see the same details as before. Suppose we select Name here, and in the Enter Value section, we type a student's name. After that, we click on Search. Then, the system will specifically show that particular student only. This Add Filter option has been created to make searching for specific student IDs much easier. In this system, we can also select the date of birth directly from the search field. After selecting the date of birth, a specific date range will appear automatically. From that range, we can choose the required dates and proceed with the search. This means we are now able to search people based on their birth dates. For example, if we want to find students born within a specific time period, we can simply set that date range and perform a search. This feature becomes especially useful in real-life scenarios where student names may be similar or even identical. In such cases, searching by name alone can create confusion. However, when we use date of birth as a filter, it becomes much easier to identify the exact students, even if multiple students have the same name. Overall, this functionality improves search accuracy, reduces confusion, and makes data filtering much faster and more reliable. Next, we go to the Action section of that student. There we can see 4 options: View option, Edit option, Disable button, and drop-down arrow button. First, let's check the View option. After clicking there, we can see the student's profile where almost all of the student's information is available. Next, we click on Edit. From there, we can edit almost all of the student's data. From the Edit option, we can also change the student's password if needed. Because many times students may forget their passwords, in that case, you can easily update the password from here. After finishing the editing process, if we click on Save, a notification appears at the upper left corner saying, "Profile has been updated." Now, we click on the Disable button. After clicking there, the system asks whether we really want to deactivate the ID or not. If we press OK, the ID will be deactivated. Now, we go to the Show Inactive option. After clicking there, we can see that the ID we just deactivated is stored here. If we want, we can activate it again from here. This feature is very useful because if we delete a student completely, sometimes all the information may not remain properly stored. But if we only deactivate the account, then later, when the student joins again, they can continue all their activities using their previous information. As a result, there is no need to complete the admission process repeatedly. Now, we go to the drop-down button. After clicking there, we can see several options, including bills, gifts, received, communication report on applications, communication report on admissions, send SMS, chat with student, see exam report, show class schedule, attendance report, show daily attendance report, and reset password and notify user via SMS or email. Now, let's explore these options one by one. First, we click on bills. From here, we can see the amount of total payment, total paid, and total due option of this student. Under the Action section of Payment Details, we can see two options, Pay and View option. Click on the View button. After clicking, we can see details such as how much payment is due, how much has already been paid, how much payment still remains. At the bottom, we can also see a print option. From there, we can print the voucher. Now, we click on the Pay option. From here, we can see the voucher number, course, batch, and due. From here, we can enter how much money the student has paid. We can also provide discounts and write notes if needed. After selecting everything and clicking on Pay, a notification appears at the upper left corner saying, Payment has been updated. Now, if we again go to the View option, we can see how much payment has been completed and how much is still due. Next, we click on Gifts. Here, we can see a t-shirt listed as a gift. We click on that gift, and after selecting it, we click on the Save button. Immediately after clicking Save, a notification appears showing that you will not be able to reverse this action. If we press OK, a notification will appear on the upper left corner, showing Gift Status Updated. Once that notification appears, we can understand that the gift has been successfully assigned to the student. Now we go to the Stocks menu. Here, we can see the stock of t-shirts. If we click on View, we can see where those t-shirts are being distributed. When we hover the mouse cursor over the information icon, we can view which student received the t-shirt. We can also see in the status section showing that the t-shirt was provided to the student as a gift. Now, we click on the Received option. It's kind of gift, but not defined before, so you can provide any product to any student anytime without asking for payment. Currently, we cannot see anything there because no product has been received yet. Now, we again go to Stocks and click on Consume under the Action section. A modal box named Stock Update appears. First, we select the user. Then, we enter the consumed quantity. After that, we click on Save. A notification appears on the upper left corner saying, Stock has been updated. Now, if we go to the Receive section, we can see that the student has received a product and all details of that product are displayed there. Now, we click on Communication Report on Application. This option redirects us to the admission application page. This section is used to store all communication details that occurred during the application process. We can also select a specific date range and search by the student's name to view their communication records. From here, we can view the communication history of everything that was discussed during the admission application process. Next, we click on Communication Report on Admission. A page named Admission Information will be open. This option is used to store communication details that happen during the admission process. After the admission process, we can add records here of what conversations took place, including the specific date and time of the communication. In the View option, we can see the previous conversations and communication records as a history. Now, we click on the Send SMS option. From here, we can send SMS directly to student phone number. After sending the SMS, a notification appears on the left corner confirming that the SMS has been sent successfully. Next, we click on Chat with Student. Here, we can personally communicate and have conversations with students directly. Now, we click on See Exam Report. After selecting the date, choosing the course, and clicking on Get Exam Report, we can see the student's exam report along with their ranks for the exams on that duration. From here, we can send a report through SMS or email. Also, we can print it directly. Now, we click on Show Class Schedule Attendance Report. There we can see date range, attendance status, and search option. After filling all the required information and clicking on Search, the system will show how many days the student was present and how many days the student was absent. Next, we click on Show Daily Attendance Report. Here also we can see date range, attendance status, search option. After filling all the information and clicking Search, we can see whether the student attended on specific days according to the selected date range. Now, we click on Reset Password and Notify via SMS or email. It can be used when we need to change password and send notification both instantly in one click without typing or clicking multiple places. Now, let us log in using the student ID. Here, we can see all the information that we previously provided to the student. Now, if we click on the message option at the top, we can see the message that we previously sent to this student. Next, we go to Daily Attendance. There, all present and absent records are displayed. After that, we click on Gifts. Here, we can see which gifts the student has received. Finally, if we click on Received, we can also see which products or items the student has received. So, this was the complete overview of the student's management features and all the important options inside the student's menu. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video with another important topic.